have any written down.
That's
However,
great.
I do have a response to what you were sharing with me about your new school that you intend to open up. All right. Um, Yesterday, and this was unplanned, it just rolled out with the new moon, right? And it was like, wow! Um, my entire about page and what I put up got completely redesigned yesterday. And I didn't plan that. It just rolled out. And it's looking super great now. And also, at least from my perspective, and then I asked others to vote. What do you think? This image or this image? And now, because I'm in Florida, right, I decided to add in like a fun like uh like icon thing, right?
An alligator.
Pink pink flamingo, right?
Ah,
Isn't that fun? Right? The pink
yes.
flamingo, right?
Oh, by the way, Michelle, two things. We
Yeah.
have pink flamingos here on Corfu in Greece.
Oh, you do.
And check
Wow.
this out. Check this out. Apparently, from what I understand, and you're going to love this, pink flamingos actually get their pink because they're eating spirulina.
I love spirulina.
That's why
I,
I told you I knew you would like that idea. Look into the relationship between pink flamingos and spirulina. It's an amazing thing.
oh, well, who knew? I've got some right in my cupboard. Mm, mm.
It's apparently the ultimate superfood that
Yeah,
that we know of.
yeah. And yeah, I put it in my uh, ice smoothies. When I return from a walk and I make a smoothie and I put a
Yeah, wonderful.
scoop of it in there with the ice, the water, and whatever else I put it. A little plant-based protein powder, and then like maybe a
Yeah, yeah,
banana or whatever, I
yep.
make that day. Okay. Sometimes they're all green. I'm throwing in spinach and all sorts of wild stuff, right? With the spirulina. However, it has lots of iron in it, and iron is super important for apparently pink flamingos and humans. Yay!
We love the humans.
Exactly. Yeah.
Yes, yes. Well,
So,
iron iron reminds me of how we're electromagnetic
mm,
fields. And so iron, what's one of the things we always test as a kid when we're playing with magnets? We check in the lead, right? It
yeah.
reminds me of lead, iron, and all of these other metals that we actually are part of us somehow. So anyway, I'm going to cut the video, and I wish everyone a beautiful whatever you're up to. And